Hello and welcome to Crewe Motor Match. My name is Greg and today we're going to be taking a look around this Nissan Qahsqai. It's a 1.3 petrol hybrid, it's the Dig T Premier Edition. It's also Euro 6 compliant, so you haven't got to worry about the ULEZ fees. This car comes with a rear privacy glass, which is always handy, keeping your personal belongings out of sight. It's also got a fixed rear spoiler, which is always nice on a big SUV, giving that sporty edge. Up front, it's got full LED headlights, which do feature a high beam assist, and at the rear you've got LED taillights, making you highly visible even in the darkest of nights. And it boasts the gorgeous 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. And of course, with an SUV you would expect a giant boot, and it's exactly what you get in this car. There's enough room there for a weekend away or even just a weekly shop and some golf clubs, and you can also split the boot floor, giving you extra storage. Your rear passengers get to enjoy the two-tone cloth upholstery seat with the centre armrest and two cup holders. There's ice fix points which make child seat fixings a dream to put in, and there's two air vents and USB ports. As we move around to the driver's side, the cabin benefits from a fixed panoramic roof, letting loads of light into it, and the seats are again two-tone cloth upholstery with lumbar support, and they're very easily manoeuvrable. The driver is the lucky one that gets to use the leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel, with controls for the intelligent cruise control on the right hand side, and on the left controls for the multimedia functions and the screen up ahead. Speaking of the screen ahead, it features every view that you could ever need as a driver for any type of journey. It's got your driving assist and even likes of trip computer and any warnings that you would need. It's got your satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and it can even read traffic signs for you. It also shows you your parking sensors there as well. And one of the most handy features to have in this car is the heads-up display. It ensures that your eyes are fully on the road. And it doesn't stop there. There's a button in the centre console that is called driving modes, and it allows you to set up the car to suit the driving that you need, whether it's a sporty drive or an economical one. And keeping you fully entertained even on them long and tedious journeys is the touchscreen infotainment system, which houses a wide range of features. Like I said, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth, so that comes up here, and everything is at the touch of your fingertips. There's even shortcut buttons making it even easier. There's satellite navigation, ensuring that you'll never get lost on them unknown roads, and it's very easy to zoom in and out just so you know where you're going. Also, there's a button titled camera, and it reveals your rear view camera and also a 360 camera, which is always handy on them tight city car parks. And just lower down you've got your dual zone climate control, which does save on a lot of arguments between the passenger and the driver, as everyone can be at their preferred temperature all at once. There's also a wireless charging pad, which is really handy. You've got your manual transmission, and like I said, your driving mode select. You've got two cup holders and storage compartments under the centre armrest.